Hi, this is Casey with the Boat Specialists. Today I'm going to be talking to you about one of our most popular, most requested, and most inquired about services, repowers. Come on in and let's get started. The first step of the process is going to be working with one of our knowledgeable sales team members. They're going to help you pick out the perfect motor for your project and get you through the quoting process, collect a deposit, and get you into the queue. When the day arrives and it's time to start your project, when you come to drop off your boat, one of our service team members will be here to help you get checked in. They'll go through a questionnaire with you to find out anything that we need to know about your boat before we start in on the process. After the intake process, the next step is going to be an inspection. One of our certified technicians is going to inspect your vessel from bow to stern. They're going to take a look at every system on the boat, including fuel, steering, plumbing, and electrical. They're going to report back any recommendations they have and make sure that everything is going to be compatible with your new powertrain. Once the inspection is complete and we've gone over the report with you to make sure we're all on the same page about what work needs to be done, we get to de-rig the boat. That involves removing the old motors and all the components that are going to be replaced. Once our team has completed de-rigging your boat, we'll move into the next step of the process, which is refitting it and getting it ready for the new motors and new components that we're going to be installing. This step involves fiberglass work, fabricating starboard panels, patching up old holes, things like that. There's a lot of options in this process and we'll talk to you about them when the time comes. Once the refit is complete and your boat is ready for its new engines and components, that's when we get the fun part, rigging the boat, hanging the motors, installing the new components, putting in all the rigging, and getting it ready for sea trial. Once we're done rigging the boat and installing all the new components, we take the boat out for a thorough sea trial to test everything, calibrate anything that needs to be done, and ensure that the boat and all the components are in great working order for you. Once it comes back from sea trial, we'll wash it down, flush the motors, and send it to detail to get cleaned up for delivery. At your pickup or delivery appointment, your service writer and your salesperson will both be on hand to make sure that you have all the information you need to have about your new motor and any work that was done to your boat. Any questions you have will be answered and will give you critical information about your break-in and your warranty. I hope you found this video to be informative and educational. If you have any questions about the repower process, don't hesitate to pick up the phone and give us a call or stop by our showroom or service center. Once again, I'm Casey with the Boat Specialists. Thanks for joining me.